Did you know one man's mental breakdown started a war that killed more people than World War I? His name was Hong Xiuquan. He spent years studying for China's Imperial Civil Service exam, the most important test a man could take in the 1800s. He failed it 4 times. After the 4th failure, he collapsed. He stopped eating. He stopped speaking. For days, he drifted in and out of fever dreams. When he came back, he had a new truth. He was the Son of God, the younger brother of Jesus Christ. And China needed to be cleansed. People believed him. Thousands, then hundreds of thousands. He built an army. He built a kingdom inside China called the Heavenly Kingdom of Peace. The Qing dynasty fought back. What followed was 14 years of total war, burning cities, mass starvation, and slaughter on a scale that is almost impossible to picture. Between 20 and 30 million people died, not in a world war, not in a plague, in one man's delusion. And almost nobody in the West has ever heard his name.